Okay, y'all, so I did my nails and I have a new top coat because I'm going to try the Kiss top coat because for some reason when I go to put that top coat on that comes in the Serendipity kit, it just turns out to be a mess. It just starts getting super streaky and everything. So I'm going to open this up and, you know, see if you apply it the same way. And I'm going to try this top coat instead of the other one. And try to see if I could wear this top coat on top of these nails instead of having to put a gel top coat on. So I'm going to see how it looks. All right, so I just popped it open. And it has 2 extra brushes in it already. So it probably does the same thing. Let me see if this is a brush as well. Because sometimes they just have screw tops. No, but this is actually a brush as well. So I'm going to read the directions real quick. And then I'm going to go on and do my top coat. Okay, so this top coat just says apply 2 layers and let it air dry. So I'm going to paint it. I'm going to apply this twice and see how it looks. It says it's going to take 5 to 10 minutes to dry, which I don't think the other one takes that long. But I'm going to just give it a go and see how it comes out. And if it doesn't turn out to my liking, then I'm just going to put a top coat on. This is the final look. I mixed my products this time. I used Serendipity and I used Kiss. These glitters are Kiss powders and the other color that you see is a Serendipity. I put the Kiss top coat, which as you can see, it's nice and smooth. So I do not need to put the top coat on. I usually use a gel top coat, but I'm not going to do that this time because these turned out really good. So if you're looking for an alternative product or if you run out, they do sell these individually at like Rite Aid and stuff like that. So you can actually pick up whichever one you need. Like if you run out of the activator or the base, you can just buy whatever one you need. But this smells exactly like the bonding gloss in the Serendipity kit. So I think they're all pretty much like the same thing. But thank you for watching and don't be afraid to mix products because they will still work.